In the forest, there was a bird who believed he was too late. Too late to fly. Too late to matter. Too late to become anything special. Every single day, he watched others rise into the sky, while he stayed below. And the most painful thought was not failure. It was this: what if my time already passed, and I didn't even notice? The forest was alive with wings. Birds flew high, fast, fearless. Some ruled the sky before sunrise. Some were praised before they even understood flight. And then there was Ari, a small gray bird, living close to the ground, where shadows felt longer and dreams felt heavier. Ari tried to fly many times. He jumped, he fell, he tried again, and every fall left a quiet doubt inside his heart. Soon, the forest began to speak. Not every bird is meant to rise. Some are born ordinary. Some stories never leave the ground. Ari heard every word, and slowly, almost without noticing, he stopped trying. Each morning, Ari watched the sky turn gold. He saw birds younger than him fly past the clouds. At night, he asked the stars questions. They never answered. Why not me? Why am I always behind? Did life choose others and forget me? This is the pain no one sees. Not failure, not weakness, but waiting while others win. One evening, when the forest felt quiet and heavy, an old owl landed beside Ari. His feathers carried storms. His eyes carried centuries. The owl asked gently, "Why do you measure your life? By someone else's wings?" Ari replied softly, "Because everyone else is already flying." The owl looked toward the trees and said, "Tell me, do all trees grow at the same speed?" Ari stayed silent. The owl continued, "Some grow fast and break in storms. Some grow slow and survive everything." Then he said something Ari would never forget. The sky does not reward speed. It rewards readiness. Then came the storm. Not a normal storm. A storm that shook the forest's bones. Thunder cracked the sky. Wind tore branches apart. Strong birds escaped easily. But deep inside the forest, a fragile nest began to fall. Inside it, small birds, helpless, crying. Ari saw them. Fear froze him. Every doubt screamed, "You can't fly. You're not ready. You'll fail again." But then, another voice rose inside him. Quiet, steady, unshakable. If not now, then never. Ari climbed higher than ever before. The wind fought him. Rain blinded him. His wings shook, not from weakness, but from years of waiting. He remembered every fall, every laugh, every moment he felt invisible. And then, he jumped. At first, he fell. The same old fear returned. But suddenly, the storm lifted him. The wind didn't push him down. It carried him up, because storms don't come to destroy everyone. Sometimes, they come to reveal who is ready. Ari reached the broken nest. He shielded the small birds with his wings. Rain soaked him. Thunder roared, but he did not let go. When dawn arrived, the storm was gone, and Ari was still in the sky, flying. Birds gathered silently. No applause, no shouting, just understanding. The owl returned and said, "You were never late. You were being prepared." And finally, Ari understood. Ari never became the fastest bird, but he became the one who rose when it mattered most. And the forest learned a lesson it would never forget. Some rise early, some rise loudly, some rise when the world needs them most. Everyone has their own time to rise, and when your time comes, even the sky will move out of your way. Remember, you are not behind. You're being prepared.